So we have a TPO pipe boot here that we've got to get on to get this pipe sealed up. So the first thing we do is we cut the top off. I like to call these things witch hats. So you cut the top off to fit around the pipe, and then you slide it down over the pipe and fit it around the bottom. Make sure it sets well, make sure it's snug around the pipe naturally. You kind of pull it back up once you got that done. And then you put a bead of water cut off around the pipe. Slide this pipe boot back down over that water cut off, which kind of seals the gap, between the pipe boot itself and the pipe. And then you stick the band around it, the tightening band. You tighten that thing up good and tight. Finish it off with a bead of sealant on the top just to get that nice seal around there, and that band then kind of clamps against the water cutoff, creating that
impenetrable barrier.
I am so happy I got that on camera.
And then we weld the bottom around here with our heat gun, and that literally fuses the two membranes together, the roof membrane and the TPO pipe boot. Stick this thing in there, you roll it down with your steel roller, and just weld the whole way around. Simple as that. And then once you're done, you probe around the edge, make sure it's tight, make sure your probe doesn't get stuck somewhere, which indicates a cold weld, and you're done. It's literally that simple.